What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Jamaican, back at you with another video. Today, we're gonna be reacting to worst s'mores toy maker ever. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's get it.
S'mores! I have here some yummy nummies mini kitchen magic. Let's make some s'mores! Alright, so let's just open this up. So today, here's what we have. So it comes with this little oven thingy. Put that together, and then put this together. And then in this bowl, that is where we're gonna make a s'more. We're gonna stick stuff in here, and then it's gonna cook for a little bit.
This man.
Cook for a little bit, and we're gonna make some s'mores. So let's do this. So this is all the ingredients and utensils it has come with. We have some graham crackers, some marshmallow, some chocolate, and this tray. So what you want to do now is we're gonna open this graham cracker mixture. Okay, so we're gonna open this right here, and it says here, put 8 rounds of scoops of powder into this tray. So we're gonna do it right now. So here we go. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's just pour a lot.
Just F it, just pour that shit in.
And from here, you want to add 1.5 scoops of water. So we go 1, 2.
Dude.
Then all you want to do is just
Mix it up.
like this. Now we want to scoop this graham cracker mixture into these trays, and this will be our graham crackers. So we just gotta distribute it evenly like this. And then we actually have to go to the microwave. It told me to go to the microwave and microwave this for 10 seconds. So let's go to the microwave. Alright, let's set it in here. 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds are up. Let's go back over there in the table. Okay, after microwaving this for 10 seconds, we now
What
want to
the?
have our chocolate pack or chocolate packet. So we need 4 scoops of chocolate into this little compartment right here. And we need 2.5 scoops of water. Right over
Water.
there. Just mix it all well.
2 scoops of water.
Look at all
Water.
the chocolate.
Water.
Yeah.
Okay. Water.
Last but not least, we want to open the marshmallow packet. So let's open this. Ooh, look at all that white stuff. Look at all that white stuff. Sweet, but it's
No, still. That low.
Oh, that tastes weird. Anyways, we need 4 scoops of this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1.5 scoop of water. 1, 2. And then all you want to do is mix it all up like it says. Oh, look at that. It looks like chocolate because some of the chocolate has gotten into this compartment. And there you have it. This is the basic ingredients we need to make this s'more. So from here, we want to open the top of this. And then there's this little compartment right over here, all right? We're going to need to scoop all this chocolate and put it into this compartment right here.
What type of contraption is that?
Put it in here.
What is that, man?
Then we want to close it down. And we're going to take one of these graham crackers that we microwaved. So once you grab your graham cracker, you want to put it inside this fireplace. Oh, it's lit! It's lit! You guys see that? It's lit! It's so lit right now. It's so lit. Do not be deceived because there is nothing going on here. It's just the light. It doesn't heat it up. It doesn't do anything. It's just a light. But anyways, let's just pretend that it's baking or whatever you do with s'mores. And then all you want to do, if you want some chocolate, you want to press this button right here. And then chocolate should go down. Ew! Look at that! It's like the fire's pooping on the graham cracker. Ew! And then, if you want some marshmallows, you want to press this marshmallow button. Oh, look at that marshmallow. Oh, come out. Where you at? Where you at? Come on, I put more marshmallow in there. Come on. Okay, gross.
Yeah, that is very nasty. Looks like you're eating
This
duty.
one was $20, okay? Think about it. For $20, you can just buy marshmallows, chocolate, graham cracker. You can probably save like $19 instead of buying a stupid toy that tastes like dookie. Alright, well, I'll show you a life hack.
That's some real duty right there. It's been your boy, Epic Jamaican. Like, subscribe, and comment. Follow me on my social media in the description. Peace, love, and globs, and love. Yeah. Yeah. What can I say?